This building was built by my great-grandfather in 1952, and at that time, Baltimore didn't need air conditioning. In the 80s, my great-aunt purchased a whole bunch of mini splits from Japan. We hung those on the outside of the building.
The biggest issue was being able to work on them. They're outside of a window, and there's no way to get them from anywhere but the window, so we would have to use a harness, strap it in to the building somewhere, one way or another, and then reach out, way out, and work on the air conditioning units.
I was tasked in 2015 with coming up with a solution to make this much more safe as well as something much more energy efficient. We were introduced to the AIO unit in 2022. We got one unit and tested it out, and it worked great.
It worked the whole year without one problem. Everybody was satisfied. It was finally the perfect solution.
It's so quiet because the old machines were a little bit loud, and these are like very soft and quiet. We love it.
The airflow is so much better. It can be directed up, down, however you want it.
The maintenance staff loves it because they can just easily take it off the wall. Everything's contained in that unit. To heat the whole building, it's just a lot of gas. By adding these energy efficient units, we were able to reduce our gas rate, I would say $10,000 to $15,000 a month.
Once we knew exactly what we were doing, where we were putting them, I think everything came together beautifully.
It's nice because it looks like it was supposed to look when my great-grandfather built it. When I see all these old pictures of the buildings without all those fan coil units on it, now it looks like that. It's beautiful. These really were godsend to us.